Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from SoFi to bank account. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So to initiate the transfer process, begin by navigating to the financial tab and click on the transfer icon. Now within the available options, choose transfer money and input the desired dollar amount for the transfer. Now, utilizing the ability to type any amount by selecting the zero option or $0 option. Now, specify the accounts involved in the transfer by choosing the appropriate options under to and from. Now, under the to section, make sure that you include your account number as well as your routing number. Now, if adjustments to transfer frequency are necessary, click on the change timing to make the required edits. Now, after confirming the accuracy of the entered information, proceed to the next step by clicking next, and before you finalizing the transfer, review the details once more to ensure accuracy, and once satisfied, complete the transfer by clicking transfer money. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.